What is up, everyone? This is Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Nvidia game filter. A supported game is required. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, there's a few ways to fix this. First, if you have OBS Studio turned on, like you see I have in my library, I technically do have it on at the bottom. So if you have that turned on, turn it off, basically exit out of it completely, and then see if that fixes it for you. If not, turn off any game that you may have as well, especially by going into Task Manager and ending the task, and see if that fixes it for you. The next thing is, if that does not work for you, you want to basically open up the Nvidia app. If you don't have this, just go to Google, download the Nvidia app. As you can see over here, it's changed now. It's literally through this process now that you do the driver updates. So you want to go here, click into drivers, and see if you have the latest driver update available. It's entirely possible. You just need to download the latest driver and then try to play the game from there. If you do, the next thing you can do is click into settings and then click into about, and then opt in this access to beta or experimental features. A lot of times this fixes these types of issues occurring because you get those additional features that are either in beta or like something experimental is happening that fixes these types of errors. So, or if you have it on, vice versa, just turn it off and see if that fixes it for you. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, go and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that much shows out. Peace.